Okay guys, so these are the notes to help you with the transformations for your homework. I'm just going to review the ones that are important for now. So if you look, we have our function here, r squared, which tells us that we have an a b, a c, and a d. The only thing that we're going to focus on for right now is c and d, because we're going to come down here, and if you notice, c and d have to do with shifts or translations. So if we come up here, let's say that we have our c is a number that's going to go on the inside of the parentheses. If that number is less than 1, in other words, if c is negative, then that means that we're going to shift to the right. Now you'd think that if it was positive, it would be to the right, but it's actually going to be the opposite. So in other words, if c is positive, that means that we are going to shift to the left. So again, the number on the inside is going to be the opposite. So if it's a positive, we go to the right. If it's a negative, we go to the left. And now with d, that's just the same. So if d is less than 1, in other words, if it's negative d, that means that we're going to shift, but we're going to shift down. So with that, it does stay how you would think. So if it's a negative, it's going to go down. And if it's a positive d, then that means that we're going to shift up. So remember again, when we're talking about horizontal or C, that's the opposite. So if it's negative, we go to the right. If it's positive, we go to the left. And then with the number on the outside, which is D, we're going to shift down if it's negative, and we're going to shift up if it's positive.